Before we continue reading scene 3, let's make a prediction. Make a prediction about who will win the contest. I predict that Athena is going to win the contest. Let's continue reading scene 3.
Arachne, I am ready to win and get my reward. Athena, there's no prize if you lose.
I had to pause here because this line of dialogue that says there's no prize if you lose is confirming my prediction that Athena's going to win this contest. So I'm going to underline this line of dialogue.
Narrator, Arachne and Athena both wove beautiful cloths. However, Arachne's cloth was filled with pictures of the gods being unkind. Athena, Arachne, your weaving is beautiful, but I am insulted and upset by the pictures you chose to weave. You are boastful, and your cloth is mean and unkind. For that I will punish you. Athena points dramatically at Arachne. Arachne falls behind her loom and crawls out as a spider. Athena, Arachne, you will spend the rest of your life weaving and living in your own web. Narrator, Arachne was mean and boastful, so Athena turned her into a spider. That's why spiders are now called arachnids. Arachne learned that bragging and too much pride can lead to trouble. The end.
This question is about dialogue. It asks, why is Athena insulted and upset by Arachne's weaving? Well, the narrator says that the cloth was filled with pictures of the gods being unkind. And then Athena says, your cloth is mean and unkind. So that's why Athena is insulted by Arachne's weaving. I'm going to write that on the line. The cloth is mean and unkind because Arachne filled it with pictures of the gods being unkind. Now we have to draw a box around our text evidence. The text evidence I used to get my answer were Arachne's cloth was filled with pictures of the gods being unkind, and this part of dialogue from Athena saying, your cloth is mean and unkind. Arachne had an amazing talent for weaving, but the way that she boasted about herself and put other people down wasn't right. She happened to take it a step too far when she insulted Athena. So Athena turned her into a spider. This myth is using a story between Athena and Arachne to explain why we have spiders and why they're called arachnids. What an interesting myth this is. The main theme or lesson to be learned in this myth is that you shouldn't boast or be prideful. On the next slide, select the correct theme of this myth.